Yeah, hello, hello, yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord and welcome you all to my phone screen. Yeah, so if you're watching me from YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching me from TikTok, make sure that you follow me for more. And please, people are using my name to scam people, so be careful. I will not be a first person to chat to you about crypto or about me teaching you or mentoring you. I will not do that. And I have only one TikTok channel that have over 6,000 followers. Yeah, and my Telegram channel is Crypto Lord, not Crypto Loss. Yeah. So today I want to show you how I was able to make 10,000 Ghana cedis with a mystery coin. Like I never knew this coin was so cool or can make me this money. I was just trying my luck. So I will show you. I first of all open my Bybit wallet. You can see that today's date is 28th April. And this one I sold 77.64 USDT and 8,211. People were saying that, like, why? Like, this, that. So let me show you before we continue. People think that I deposit and I sell. I deposit and I sell. So let me show you something. So if I go to my all status, okay, all types. Let me go to buy and for this say buy. Let me go to buy for this something. You can see that I haven't buy anything. They are all cancelled. This one I was using it for tutorials, so you can see that they are all cancelled. I cancel it. Is it until like at times people will like chat me that I should show them how to buy like coin on Bybit or Binance. So I use my wallet to show them. Yeah, but you can see that at the end I canceled the trade. So you can see that on this platform I haven't used this wallet to buy anything. I haven't bought any coin on Bybit before. You see, I haven't bought any coin on Bybit before. So people say that you deposit and you sell. That's why I always want to prove myself to you. Is that then how to? No, I know that I'm not here to prove myself to anybody, but I just wanted to know that I don't buy anything and I don't sell anything over here. Yeah. So let me go to sell. Sell. So this man sell. Consider the sell is what completed. You see that then completed. Yeah. So today on this platform I made 1,211 and this is what I mean. So I opened the Crypto Arbitrage bots. That one is in the description or in the comment section. You can buy it yourself. And if you're watching me from TikTok, it's in my bio. You can buy it myself. And one thing about this bot is that it will give you many coins. And these many coins, some of these coins appears like the same coins, but the let me say if you want to transfer the address for transferring at times is different. That's why I always tell you that before you initiate a trade, make sure that the address are the same. So sometimes they will be the same coins but different address, so you have to take good use of it. So I did this and I saw a coin, like a red coin. So I came to my Bybit wallet and I entered red coin. Everything that you can see that over here, red coin over here, and it was 0.4185 over here. And I also opened my Bybit. So I saw that I made 10,000 Ghana cedis today, and you can see that the Binance one is what 9,699, and the date is for 28th. Everything 28th April. Yeah. So let me show you the procedure. So I came here also and entered red. You can see that the red is in my first history, the red coin. So it was 0.4184, and the bot gave me age. I don't like if I open the boat, people see a lot about the boat, and some people told me that they have already downloaded the boat and they want me to show them how to use it. Meanwhile, you didn't buy anything from me, so how can I show you? Yeah, so me opening the boat will be something else. So I will not open the boat, but I use This coin, the bot gave me this coin was F red, and I was like, no, F red is different from red. And to check it on this platform, like the volume and everything was down. You see, the volume, everything was down, but I wanted to try. So the buying rate over here was 0.00052. So I wanted it to try. So I tried this thing with Bybit. So you can see that on Bybit, the first trade I did on Bybit, I earned I earned I earned 1,002. Yeah, because I wanted to check something to see if it's real or not. That's why I use it on Bybit. So 8,211.33. Yeah. So I bought the coin on that exchange, and I transferred the coin to Bybit, and I sell the coin for USDT, and the USDT I sold everything on P2P. That's how we did it. So that's why you'll be seeing that I always show you P2P, because P2P is where I sell my final product and get my profits. Yeah. So after doing that, then I saw that it's real. So I bought higher, and this time I transfer it to Binance. Yeah. And on Binance, one thing is, if I'm doing many trade, I don't use one exchange. I use plenty exchange. Yeah. In order not to cause any harm. Yeah. So I transferred the red coin over here. And I go to P2P and sold it and earn. So I earn what, 9,699. So combining it is around 10,000 plus. You see, yeah. So this is how you make money with the bot. Yeah. So don't think that the bot is fake. At times it will give you many coins, and this many coins, some will come with, let's say, different like different address. Don't think that is fake. It's nothing, because it's both, and the both is there to compare the coins. So it is like red. You see the difference, then it will bring it to you. You see that thing. So it's for you to check whether the address are the same or not. You see that thing. So it's not that like it will do everything for you. It will give you the coin and the exchange. Then you compare the address. If the same, then you are good to use it. That's what the bot does. Yeah. So the bot helped me to make 10,000 Ghana cedis today. Yeah. And one thing is, at times when you say that the coins are different, please just try it. When you can say that the address are the same, just try it, because the coin, it was F red and red, and I was like, no, it's not the same. But I tried it, and it's the same. It's that thing. So this is how you make money using the bots. I'm thorough, and I'm out.